Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the account section, click on the account settings button. And again at the account settings section, click on the password button. So first you have to type your current password. So just type that in and then just type in your new password, and if you start typing you will see the requirements of your new password, and then just confirm it. And then at the top of the page on the right, just click on the save button to renew your password. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.